Hello everyone, Microsoft has released a second emergency update in less than 2 weeks for Windows 11, and now let's talk about what's included. On late Saturday, the company quietly started offering the updated KB5078127, also known as the build 26200.7628. This update is available for versions 25H2 and 24H2, but the fixes are also available for version 23H2 as updated KB5078132 and with build number being 22631.6495. So what's included in this release? Well, according to the official notes, this update fixes problems with apps that use cloud storage, including cases where some apps become unresponsive and display errors. Also, this update fixes some installation of Outlook that may also become unresponsive and fail to open PST files stored in the cloud, such as in OneDrive. This emergency update includes all the protections and improvements from the January 2026 security update released on January 13, 2026. As well as the Autobahn update released in January 17, 2026, which introduced fixes for remote desktop connections and hibernation failures. Microsoft is not sharing any additional details on whether this update fixes any additional problems with the operating system. As you probably already know, people have been reporting many different issues after installing the January 2026 update, including black screens and frame drops on NVIDIA graphics cards. Users have also reported computers not being able to boot correctly, system instability, and more. Some users even reported the error 0x800F0905 trying to uninstall the update. The update should download and install automatically on affected devices. However, if you want to trigger the download manually, just go to the Settings tab, more specifically to the Windows Update page, and then click the Check for Updates button. And then the computer will start downloading the 2026-01 update KB5078127 26200.7628. After the installation, you will need to restart the computer to apply the update. If you were experiencing any other issues with the January update, let me know if this release actually fixes any other issues that you were having on your computer. It is important to note that the company is also releasing the same fixes for Windows 11 for devices enrolled in the Extended Security Updates program, but the update is known as the KB5078129. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.